Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm ashadia sabria almahyra and I'm from class 9A. Today I will teach you how to make a piggy bank from used plastic bottle. First of all, you need to find some used plastic bottles. No need to buy. Second, make sure the bottle dry. Then use a scissors to cut a hole in the center of the bottle, cutting in circular motion until it splits into two pieces. Damn, where is it? Okay, wait. Next, draw a circle on the cardboard and cut it out. Add a small rectangle on the center of the circle, then make a hole in it using a craft knife, like this. Like this. Then glue it onto the top of the bottle. We glue it using super glue, so be careful when using it. Don't let it get on your hands like what happened to me. Just be careful. Oh my god. Oh. And we get the result like this. So we move to the next step. We cut it into two parts. I bought this wrapping paper at a photocopy shop. The design is cute and the price is also cheap. Okay, like this. This is so cute. Now wrap the plastic bottle in wrapping paper to make the piggy bank look nicer like this. But I need to tidy up a little bit again. We need to glue it like this until the wrapping paper is covered with glue. Oh my god. This is the result after I glue it, but this is not ready yet. This is the result after I tidy up it. It's kind of weird but cute. We just have to make a hole. Wait. Okay, like this. So this is the final result. Now your piggy bank is ready. Simple, made from recycled materials and ready to use for saving up to buy something you want. Thank you for watching.